Okay, this is a Bubble Galaxy level for the phone, and we're going to test X and Y 0. Perfectly level. Right in the middle. Excellent. These I didn't put in yet. They're actually loose. I wanted to test out to make sure it was level first before actually bolting them in. So we're going to do that now. It is still 100 degrees outside because this is Phoenix, Arizona. We're going to be using a Dremel with the metal cutting bit at 38 inches. Gives us 1 inch on each side. Now, if you're wondering why it's taking so long for me to do this, this is Phoenix, Arizona in the summer. And no, I found out you can bake cookies in your car. Now, if you have a black car, that's even better. You put cookies on a cookie pan, a cookie tray, and leave it on your dashboard. It takes about 6 to 8 hours, but you can actually slow cook cookies in your car. And when you open your doors, it smells like cookie heaven. But you won't be able to get it out for a little while. So I've been taking a lot of breaks in between because it gets up to 115, 118 degrees sometimes. And I need a break. So we're doing this just so I can be comfortable. I'll probably cut out those break times to give a more reasonable estimation of how long this build really took.
You all right?
Yeah. Okay, I'm installing D-rings, these little anchor shackles, and a turnbuckle. And that not going anywhere. Okay, the second one's in. Okay, I just installed the third one, the third turnbuckle. And now it's not likely to go anywhere, but I'm gonna have to lock it down a bit more. But it's pretty in there. A bit more. There we go. That's better. Perfect.